Join me as I dive into the world of food hacks to see if I can whip up the quickest and tastiest breakfast in record time. A healthy breakfast is essential to kickstart your day, but let's face it, mornings can be chaotic. We all know that a nutritious meal can boost our energy and help us focus. But with increasingly busy schedules, it's easy to skip breakfast or grab something unhealthy on the go. Mornings are tough, and time is of the essence. Most of us hit the snooze button one too many times, and before we know it, we're rushing out the door with barely enough time to grab a coffee. It's no wonder that many of us rely on convenience foods, or worse, skip breakfast altogether. The struggle to eat healthy in the morning is real. We're tempted to reach for sugary cereals or pastries, which might give us a quick energy boost, but can lead to a crash later on. And let's not forget about the prep time. Chopping veggies, cooking eggs, or toasting bread can be a challenge when you're running late. It's a vicious cycle, but what if I told you there are ways to make breakfast easier, healthier, and more delicious? From overnight oats to breakfast burritos, there are plenty of food hacks that can help you prepare a quick and nutritious meal. One of the easiest breakfast hacks is using a slow cooker to prepare your meal overnight. Simply add your ingredients, set the timer, and wake up to a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast. You can make everything from oatmeal to breakfast casseroles with minimal effort. Another game changer is the breakfast sandwich maker. These handy devices allow you to cook eggs, bacon, and toast all at once in just a few minutes. They're perfect for busy mornings when you need something quick and satisfying. I've also discovered the magic of mug cakes. Yes, you can make a cake in just a minute, and it's perfect for breakfast on the go. Simply mix together your ingredients, microwave for 1-2 minutes, and enjoy a warm, fluffy treat. But the most effective hack I discovered has to be the breakfast freezer pack. It's a genius way to prep your breakfast for the week ahead. Simply assemble your ingredients, scrambled eggs, sausage, bread, and cheese, in a freezer bag, and store in the freezer. When you're ready to eat, just microwave for a minute, and you're good to go. In conclusion, these food hacks can be a total game changer for busy mornings. From slow cookers to breakfast sandwich makers, there are plenty of ways to make breakfast easier and healthier. So, which of these breakfast hacks is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more food tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other video on 10-minute meal prep ideas.